How to make online course website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website for your online courses. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it and how to start earning your money online. So firstly you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So guys, feel free to create an account on Wix.com because it's completely free. You just need to use your email address and create a suitable password. So next you just need to click this blue button here, create new site, and you will be redirected to another page, Wix site creation. And now Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it. It's really easy to create a site without this help, without AI. So I will show you right now. So click setup without chat. Now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So we need a website for online courses. So just type online course, and here you can choose online course, online school course, online art course, online PE course, online fitness video course, online cooking course. So you can you have a really plenty of choices here. So choose whatever you want, whatever you need. Like if you have some school or cooking, just feel free to choose this one. For this video, for an example, I will just choose this one, simply online course, and click this button, continue. This will help Wix.com create a dashboard. You can see it's loading. Wix.com dashboard is a perfect tool for creating sites. Now you need to tell about your business here. What's the name of your business, basically the name of your future website, and business address here. So I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on. Don't really need this website, and basically I don't have such business, so I don't have a business address, so I will just skip this step. And the same about this step here, set your default working hours. So I'm sure everyone can do it by yourself. It's very easy, just choose days and time here, time zone, and continue. Here you can start adding services for your website. Services for online course. Wix.com offers us to have such services as business branding, virtual consultation, returning client session, price estimate, info session, single session, repeat service, discovery call. Also you can create new service. So guys, choose whatever you want here, whatever you need on your website. And also you can add staff members here, the name and the email optional. What else do you want to do with your business? We'll add the right tools to your dashboard. For example, you can accept online payments, send automated emails and SMS reminders, sell digital and physical products, accept in-person payments, manage your services and bookings on the go. So basically for online courses I think we need this one, and maybe this one, I'm not sure. So we are all set. Now we can continue to dashboard. Now we are back to our dashboard, and we can see that we still have 5 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. Basically, you need to connect a custom domain here. Just create a domain you like and click this button. Very easy. Add your first service and set up payment methods. I think everyone can do it by yourself. It's pretty simple. Meanwhile, we will move straight to this point, the main point here. Design your website, maybe the most complicated one. Now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website. Pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. I'll choose this one because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. Wix.com have plenty of templates, and I'm sure everyone can find a template that suits and fits your needs. So here you can see most popular website templates. Also you can choose blank templates to create a site from scratch. But we need a template for online course, so just search it. And here it is. Also you can sort by recommended, newest, top templates, online language school here, online school just here. Now I will wait until everything loads. 1 second. Now everything is ready. You just need to choose the template that you think is the best. To be honest, all templates are really nice, but I really like this one. You can check this out by clicking this view button, and if you like this one, but I do, so click this button, edit this site, and you will be redirected to Wix website editor. Wix website editor is the best option to create websites, because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, Java, C#. You just need to use the website for create another website. I think that's the best about Wix.com, so that's why I highly recommend you to try this website. Now we need to wait until everything loads again. And now everything is ready. Now we can move on to the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select which page we are on our site. Also on the left we have such functions as add elements, add section, add pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media. So here we see how our site is divided into several parts, from header to footer. Also we have welcome section here, and services section, and about section. Also we have site pages such as learning tools, online courses, book online. We have booking pages, book online, sidecar, service page, etc. Of course you can manage these pages by clicking this button. You can just delete some of them, you can hide it from menu, you can show in menu. For example, this learning tools, I want to delete this one, I don't really need this on my website, so just click this button, delete Wix file share, delete app. So for example, you want to edit this specific section, for example, let it be welcome section. You just need to double click on this or click this button, quick edit. So for example, you want to edit this text here. Oh, so this is the video, so that's why we can't edit this way. So we can just manage this or simply delete this one. Let's for example choose this one, header section, double click on this one, and here we can for example double click on this text, delete it, write something else, whatever you want, change style, change fonts, font size, for example move this change the sizes, of course. You can change the sizes of sections, like here. Buttons, everything. For example, delete this button, add new button, add elements button here. For example, I don't know, like this one. Just drag it and drop it anywhere. For example, here. And basically, this phone button, you can link it to something like a page on your own website, or for example to another website. Obviously for this button I think we need to link it to some phone number basically. So when you will add your number, just click this button and it will be linked. Very easy. So when some user will be click this button, he will be redirected to his phone like app, and he can call you just easily clicking this button. So for example, also you can delete this one, choose another menu here at elements menu, for example this one. Of course you can manage menu, for example just deleting some of these buttons, like or changing color. Also you can add section here. For example, you want to add team section, for example this one. Simply choose a section and drop it anywhere on the page, for example here, and here you can see this section. Of course you can edit this one, double click on text, write whatever you want, double click on image here, you can change it, you can zoom it, you can basically delete this one. In general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourselves. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. When you're done editing your website, just click this blue button, publish, to go live with your site, so anyone can see it on the global internet. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.